Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for 2nd April 2021. So this video and analysis is for 2nd April only. You'll see me on Sunday again with the analysis for the coming week. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis because I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you do not miss any opportunity and you can make money from the market. So this is it. Let's get started. So this is the current chart of the US dollar, Canadian dollar. As you can see, market was consolidating, and after the market fell, okay, and from this particular point market went up. Okay, market went up with great amount of speed, but market again went on consolidation here, and right now as you can see market is in a particular range right now. It's not it. Market is though market was an uptrend. Okay, market is in a range right now. So let's jump to the weekly chart and just observe. So as you can see here, market has formed a shooting star kind of a pattern. Okay, market has formed a shooting star kind of a pattern with price rejection from above. Okay, and here you can see that S1 is written here, and I have also drawn a line here. Okay, so this is a resistance for the market. This price level 1.2610. Okay, this price level 1.2610 is acting as a resistance for the market. We can also see that last week also market tried to cross the level. Okay, market tried to cross the level, but market failed, and market formed the spinning top kind of a pattern. This week market tried again, but market has failed. So this 1.2610, okay, is a strong resistance for the market as of now. Okay, so this is what we got from the weekly chart. 1.2610 is a resistance for the market. Okay, so now let's jump to the overall chart of the market. So this is the overall chart. As you can see, market is not in a proper any trend, uptrend or downtrend. Market was in downtrend, went up, consolidation, went down, went up, consolidation. Okay, so market is not trending. Okay, there mix of ups and downs. Okay, so this is the overall picture, and now let's jump to the present chart. As you can see, I have drawn a line here. Okay, this line is the resistance on the weekly chart. Okay, this is the reason after market was in good trend. Okay, market was in good uptrend, but this is the reason, okay, market could not cross this level because yes, nothing is visible. Okay, nothing is visible on this chart, but as I have already mentioned in previous videos, there is a market beyond this market, the market of the big players, the banks, the hedge funds, because they decide the direction of the market. Therefore higher time frame is very much essential. Okay, nothing was visible here, or nothing is visible here. Okay, but there is resistance on the weekly time frame. As a result, price is unable to go up. Are you getting my point? This is the reason behind behind the ups and downs, okay, in many charts that we do not understand, or we fail to understand. Okay, we just think that there was nothing, why did the market go up? There was nothing, why did the market go down? The answer to these questions are there in the higher time frame, the time frame of the big fears. So as you can see, market is in a range right now. Okay, market is in a range right now. But the surprising thing that we need to notice here, that though there is a resistance on the weekly chart, and market is trying to break the resistance since last week, but though market is facing the resistance, but market is not coming down. Okay, just look at this. Okay, just look at this price rejection. Market went up, came down a little bit, went up, came down a little bit. Okay, market is not coming down with, like this. Okay, market is not coming down like this. Generally when we see then market is facing resistance. Okay, market is going up, market face the resistance. Okay, then what happened? Market comes down. But in this case, okay, market is trying very hard to cross the level. Okay, and market is giving its best shot, but still market is unable to cross the level, and market is not coming down also. This means that there is a constant war, okay, between the buyers and the sellers are going on at present. Just try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, though market is facing resistance, but market is not ready to come down. What can be the reason? The reason can be, okay, market wants to go up. Okay, market wants to go up, but buyers want to take the market upward, sellers want to take the market downward. As a result, there is no decision in the market is struggling here. So as long as market is in this zone, this is your no trading zone, you do not need to trade. Okay, if market goes up and hits the resistance also, then also I will tell you not to short the market, because market market is not coming down. Okay, market is not coming down, market is not ready to come down. Just try to understand the psychology here. Okay, market is facing resistance since 24th March. Since 24th March, market is facing resistance, but market is not ready to come down because it wants to go up. Okay, so there is a war going on, unseen war going on. So we should just wait and watch. Okay, as long as market is in this range, just wait and watch, as this is a no trading zone. Okay, so this today is Friday, so just avoid. Okay, just avoid, because we should get a proper direction, a proper picture, then only we should go ahead and jump into the market. Because right now the picture is not very clear, so why should we jump? Okay, why should we risk our capital in a chart like this? It's not it. Okay. So let's wait for one day and just try to observe the price. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you're watching my videos for the first time. Bye bye, take care.